They say lead by example, and that's true. So if you're walking by, if I'm walking by and I see trash on the floor, I pick it up. I don't tell someone to pick it up. My name is Dan Hall. I am the Director of Production Manufacturing at Cali Raised LED. Grew up in the manufacturing industry in the late 60s. Started welding when I was 6 years old. Been manufacturing for well over 40 years now. It's creative. You get to see what you built at the end of the day. I've always managed to land in a place where we could use our skills and creativity to add our own little flavor or part to the product and have a good variety every day. Got a great group. We've got female welders, which a lot of places don't have. We've got some young guys fresh out of weld school that graduated with their diploma, thought they'd come over here and didn't know how to weld a lick, but that's usually the case. So, when building a good team, first of all, you got to create an environment where they want to be here in the morning. You got to find out why they're here. We've got one gentleman that works full-time at a fabrication shop in Dallas, about an hour and a half from here, gets off at 4 a.m., comes over here, sleeps in the parking lot for 2 hours, gets up and works half a shift and goes back and does it again. And it's because he's putting his son through college. You lead by serving. You can serve them by making sure they have what they need to be successful. They have the right tools, they've got the product, they've got the subcomponents, they've got the equipment and the facilities so they can be successful, so they can get a lot of product out. There seems to be a stigma with blue-collar manufacturing, fabrication. That's not the case anymore. These guys are paid a lot of money and they're held to high standards. You can easily make a 6-figure income in the manufacturing industry now and enjoy what you're doing. You can, if you like to be on computers or you're good with game controllers, that's what we're using to control these robots and lasers now. So it's a great environment. It's not a job. You're not going to be doing the same thing over and over. You start off pushing the broom for a few days and then you move over to a smaller piece of equipment and work your way up to CNC. It's a great place to learn. We've got a great team and a great attitude. Everybody approaches new products and problems with a good spirit. It's more of a family than a workplace.